guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is just going to be about my April Ipsy bag. I thought I had canceled my membership with them due to I was on leave for my miscarriage, and I didn't have the funds really to pay, even though it's like $11 or some a month. I just needed every coin I could get at that point, so I didn't cancel it. It charged my debit card, which ended up having the money for it, so I thought I'll go ahead and just do a video on it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications to let you know when I have a new video. I've talked to a couple of my family members and even my husband, and he doesn't get notifications, and so I told him to check his notification bell for it, and it's been working, I'm hoping. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button, and let's get right into this video. So here's my bag. It's pink, has my address on the other side, but this is how it comes in. And then here's the bag, which is really pretty. This is one of the more, looks like more expensive high-end bag. So let's just jump right in and see what we got. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this correctly, but this is the Seraphine Botanical Berry and Juice. It is a 100% vegan lip gel. So let's open it and see. So this is the packaging, and then this is what it looks like. Really pretty berry color. Let's try it on. Oh, it's really short. I don't know if it's a reason I thought it's gonna come like really long, but let's see. I don't know if you really can see my lips, but I don't even know. I mean, it may have like a slight color to it. There it is. So yeah, it's a berry color, like it says. Doesn't really show up on my lips as much, but I like it. It went on smooth like a gel. So this might be something I might be throwing in my purse, and this might be a staple everyday thing I will grab for instead of lip balm. So the next thing that comes in my bag is this eyeshadow brush. I pretty much feel like I get either this brush or some type of brush in my bags now, but this is what it looks like. Just a eyeshadow brush. This is from the brand ARACELI. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. That's the name of it, but I also make sure that I link everything down in the description box below. The next thing is a AHAVA 24K Gold Mineral Mud Mask. My skin never usually breaks out, and so I'm actually really looking forward to try these masks, because if you can see right here, I actually have a pimple and some discoloration due to stress. So I can't wait to try this mask out and see if it helps me with. The next thing is another matte. It's an oatmeal face scrub. Not really a mask, with organic camellia oil, rice calyces culture, and marshmallow extract. So it is like a face scrub. Maybe that'll help with some of getting rid of some of these black marks. Let's see what the consistency is of it. And that's what it looks like. I like it. It's like a nice gentle scrub. Probably like something you could use every day, because the beads don't feel really harsh. So another thing I cannot wait to try. I believe this should be the last thing in my bag, because I believe it comes with 5 things. It is a fingernail polish. It's by the brand HELIOS Smart Nail Polish. A maximum wear time of 10 days. So I have a really big fingernail polish collection, so it's just gonna be something I'm gonna add to. This is the color when I take it out of the box. A really beautiful lavender color. Let's see, do I have an empty finger? I can try it on. Let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. So this is what it looks like on. Let's see. I know I did a really bad job, but I just wanted to show you guys the color, how it looks on my skin tone. Really pretty. Probably gonna paint the rest of my fingers like this, but I like it. And these are the things that came in it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to keep doing more. I didn't go back and cancel it when I realized it wasn't canceled, especially since I've been doing YouTube videos and this would be my 3rd week of actually posting on time. I've been trying to post at least by 2 on Sundays, so even if it's not notifying you that I've posted a video, just be looking out for my videos every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.